Hello students, good morning and namaste. You are most welcome to your online class of physical education. Our today's topic will be on competition and tournament. We are going to discuss same chapter about competition and tournament. Today we will talk about knockout tournament. Knockout tournament. What happened in knockout tournament? In this, loser team has to lose the game. Loser team never get the opportunity to play again with any team or with any player. So it is called knockout tournament. If once you lose the game, then you are not supposed to play twice. Next, here in knockout, we make two pools. Pool means part. And pools are divided on the basis number of team. And next, methods of dividing team in upper halves. First of all, we have to know how many teams are there. Team. Here, small n is stand for team. So first of all, we have to know total number of teams. After that, how many match will be there? We have to apply formula. Total number of matches. Formula will be n minus 1. For example, there are total 9 teams. So total number of matches will be 9. Total number of teams 9 minus 1. So total number of matches will be there 8. Now we have to decide how many teams will be in upper half and how many teams will be in lower half. Again here we have to apply formula. And what is that? Total teams in upper half. And formula will be n plus 1 upon 2. N means total number of teams. So there are 9 teams. And plus 1 upon 2. It means 5 teams will be in upper half. Next is total teams in lower half. again we have to apply formula. Now here n minus 1 upon 2 means total number of team minus upon 2. So total teams are here 9 minus 1 upon 2. So it will be total 4 teams. In upper half there will be 5 and in lower half there will be 4 teams. So this is the formula. If teams are equal, odd, if teams are even, then formula will be n upon 2. For example, total number of teams are here 8. Then formula will be n upon 2 means total number of teams upon 2. So here 8 teams are there and in upper half 4 teams and same in lower half 4 teams. Formula will be same for upper half and lower half. So 4 teams will be there if the teams are equal. This formula is for uneven teams, odd teams, if teams are not equal. Now, for example, 7 teams are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How we will make the fixture? How we can prepare it? Now we have to apply this formula. Odd teams are there, total 7. So total number of matches 7 minus 1. Okay. Now total teams in upper half. Okay. We have to make 9 teams structure, 9 team fixture. So now it will be more easy to make you understand. 9 teams are here. Total number of matches n minus 1 means 9 minus 1 8. 8 matches will be there. And now total teams in upper half. N plus 1 upon 2 means 9 plus 1 upon 2 means 5. 5 teams will be in upper half. Upper half. And next, total teams in lower half. Formula will be n minus 1 means total number of teams minus 1 upon 2. 9 minus 1, 9 teams are there. 9 minus 1 upon 2, so here 4 teams will be in lower half. Lower half. Now 5 teams are in upper half and 4 teams are in lower half. How we can make them equal? Now there is by required. So here NB is stand for total number of buys. Total number of buys. Now again we have to use formula to decide how many buys we have to give. And formula is what? Actually, first of all, we have to know buy. Buy is what? Buy is a special privilege given to a team in the first round. Here is first round. And the purpose of providing buy is to make the team to move in the next round of competition without meeting any opponent at first round of competition. So buy is what? Power of 2 power of 2 by which subtract the total number of teams minus n, total number of teams. So here 9 teams are there. Now 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. And here is 9. So again we have to move one step more. 8 into 2 is equal to 16. So next power of 9 of 2 is 16. So here 16 minus 9. So total number of buys will be given both of the teams 7. 7 buys will be there. Now how we have to distribute in upper half and lower half? Again we have to use one formula. When you are giving buys, then number of buys in upper half. It will be NB minus 1 upon 2. Total number of buys are how many? It is 7 minus 1 upon 2 means 6 upon 2. So 3 buys will be in upper half. Now number of buys in lower half. Its formula is NB plus 1 upon 2. So here total number of buys are 7. 7 plus 1 upon 2. So there will be 4 buys in lower half. So total 7 buys are there. Now we have to give buy from the bottom. We will start from here. First buy will be start to the bottom and next will be top. Now its top, its bottom. It will be opposite to each other. For example, first buy. It will be in the bottom. Second buy. Now third buy on the top. And fourth will be again bottom. Now sixth will be here and seventh y will be here. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 buys in lower half and 1, 2, 3. 3 buys in upper half. So this is the formula. Now match will be like this. First match will be here. That's my second one. Now only first match will be played in first round and it will be in between third number and fourth number. Winner team will be here. For example, fourth team is winner, then we will mention it here. Now in second round, first and second will play, and here same fourth and fifth, sixth and seventh, eighth and ninth. It will be your second round. Now, for example, 17 is winner here, fifth number is winner here, seventh and here ninth. Now again 4 teams are there, so these 2 teams has to play and 7th and 9th has to play. Again there will be match. For example, 5th is winner and here 9th is winner. Again there will be match for final. Like this we make the fixture. So this is the formula we have to remember. First of all, we have to know how many teams are there, and M is stand for total number of teams and total number of matches n minus 1. Total team in upper half n plus 1 upon 2. Total teams in lower half n minus 1 upon 2. And if teams are even, then total team of 8, then how you will decide? Then same in upper half n upon 2 and in lower half n upon 2. So equal teams are both of the parts. Next, how we decide to give buys? NB stand for total number of buys. So here power of 2, next power of 2. Next power of 2 minus n. This is the formula. So 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2 we have to make like this. So for example, 9 teams are there, then 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 and into 2, 16. So 16 is the next power of 9. So 16 minus 9, 7 teams are here. So this is the right way. Now how you will give buys in upper half and how you can give buys in lower half. Again there we have to apply formula. Number of buys in upper half NB minus 1 upon 2. NB means total number of buys. There are 7 buys minus 1 upon 2 and it will be 3. And number of buys in lower half NB plus 1 upon 2. Here is 7 plus 1 upon 2, 4. So 4 buys will be in lower half and 3 byes will be in upper half. When we select the team, then upper half is getting advantage. When we are giving byes, then lower part is getting advantage. When we are selecting the teams, then formula is n plus 1 in upper half, but when we are giving byes, then formula is nb minus 1. Here is in upper half n plus 1, and here nb minus 1 upon 2. We have to remember this. At the selection of teams in parts, upper parts will get advantage, but when we are giving byes, then lower part will get advantage, lower half will get advantage. So this is the way to decide fixture, to make fixture. So our topic on knockout tournament is completed. In our next lecture, we will talk about something Robin League round, cyclic method, or we can say staircase method. So for today, have a nice day and thank you.